This is something you need to understand the situation in the late 70s and 1980s in Poland, where there's very little about Jewish subjects in the media, in Polish public discourse, because of kind of censorship on those topics in communist times. After 1968, all topics related to Jewish culture were very disfavorably treated by the communist regime, and with censorship on publication, there was very little of this in public discourse. And one of the topics that was especially discouraged was, of course, Jewish material heritage, because it touched on the issue of real estate, of reclaim of properties, maybe, and all those issues. So there was no topic of this. At the same time, there was kind of absence in public discourse on those issues. At the same time, if you live in Poland and if you walk the street, if you travel, whenever you go, you see a building that is very distinct, very different from all the architecture around, and you realize this is something different. Then you have this empty lots of space somewhere in the middle of town with strange stones covered with letters that you can't understand, you can't read, covered with beautiful symbolical images, and it's there. So it's obviously something that talks to anybody. We want to know what it is. And that's how it started for many people, I think, including from my professor Jerzy Woronczak. And it was also interesting to me. It was also attractive in the way that this is, how to put, that's the better side of the fiddler on the roof. That this is close and exotic at the same time, but it's also kind of moral obligation. This is something that this is the last remnants of the murdered culture. There are hardly any Jews in Poland. You have no Jewish culture in Poland. That's what people thought in the 1980s. As you might know, there was a book by Niezabitowska and Tomaszewski with photographs and interviews with some Jews entitled Last Jews, right? Remnants, Last Jews of Poland. They had a feeling that they are the last generation, and after them, there's nothing. They will die. There will be no Jewish life anymore in Poland. Paradoxically, it's not the Nazis but the communist regime that brought to the absolute low the level of Jewish life in Poland in the 1980s.